So students, today we are of learn about fifth chapter, principle of inheritance. Principle of inheritance. So first of all, we know what is the inheritance. The transmission of genetic information or genetic characters from one generation to another generation is called inheritance. The Gregor John Mendel, known as the father of genetics. Then what is genetics? The genetics is the branch of biology. Genetics is the branch of biology which study about inheritance of genetic characters. Gregor John Mendel worked on the garden pea, with the scientific name is the Poissum sativum. He chose Poissum sativum because some specific characters, the Poissum sativum grow or cultivate easily, and second point is it has bisexual flower or hermaphrodite flower. Next point, it had self fertilization. Their lifespan is short, so study the various generation in the short period of time. So Mendel select pea plant for his experiments. Some specific terms of genetics. Number one, gene. What is gene? Gene, it is a basic unit of inheritance. Means it transmits or it carries genetic information from parents to their offsprings, or in other words, it carries genetic information from one generation to another generation. Typically, the genes can be defined as it is the segment of DNA. The Johnson scientist which first discovered gene and defined it. In the previous era, the Mendel used the term of factor. In the place of genes, they used factor, which are responsible for to carry genetic information from one generation to another generation. Next, genotype. Genotype means the genetic constitution which are responsible for a specific character in organism is called genotype. That is, capital T, small t. The capital T is the responsible for the tallness, where small t is the responsible for the dwarfness. And other examples, various examples. Also, phenotype. Phenotype. The characters which are expressed by the genotype or genes is called phenotype. It's the external features which are observed by directly by seeing. तो ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स जो हम बाहर से देख करके ऑब्जर्व करते हैं वो क्या कहलाता है? phenotype. That is tallness, darkness, black, white, red, means जो बाहर से देख करके हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं वो है phenotype. Next point is homozygous. Homozygous, the organism which composed of same types of genes for specific characters is called homozygous. That is capital R, small r. Here both genes or both alleles are same. This is called homozygous. Next, heterozygous. Heterozygous, the organism which composed of two different types of alleles for specific characters is called heterozygous. Hetero means different forms. Alleles के different forms. That is capital R, small r. Here is the one is the capital and other is the small. R, capital T, small t. R, capital R, Y. Different form. It's from the hybrid mixed form. Next point is alleles. Alleles, the contrasting forms of genes of a characters is called alleles. मीन्स किसी भी जीन्स के जो कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग मतलब डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? एलिल्स. जैसे अभी हमने पीछे बताया था कैपिटल आर स्मॉल कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग फॉर्म, वन इज द कैपिटल एंड वन इज द स्मॉल आर. द डिफरेंट फॉर्म, दिस इज कॉल्ड एलिल. Monohybrid cross, when the cross is mixed between single pairs of characters is called monohybrid cross. That is when the cross mixed between tall plant and dark plant, means लंबे पौधे और बौने पौधे के बीच एक क्रॉस कराया जाएगा, मीन्स वन पेयर ऑफ करेक्टर, मतलब टू करेक्टर्स, इट्स कॉल्ड द मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस। कैपिटल टी का क्रॉस, स्मॉल टी, टाल प्लांट, डाल प्लांट। डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस, when the cross makes between two pairs of characters, it's called dihybrid cross. Two pairs means four characters, that is the cross four pair characters, round, yellow, wrinkled, green, means four characters. There is a four characters. It's called dihybrid cross. Next is reciprocal cross. Reciprocal cross. When the organism where is no male or female, then one imagine male and other the female, in which the first, when we imagine male, in the second time it be taken as female, change their genders. That's it. Capital R across, small r, first is the male, female, तो इसका हम रेसिप्रोकल क्रॉस कराएंगे, तो कैपिटल आर का स्मॉल आर, देन इट इज द फीमेल, नेक्स्ट फॉर्म में फीमेल मान लेंगे, एंड इट द मेल, चेंज देयर जेंडर, दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेसिप्रोकल क्रॉस। Genetic drift. Genetic drift. The random changes in the frequency of an allele of a population is called genetic drift. The random changing in the frequency of alleles of a population is called genetic drift. Gene pool. Gene pool. What are the gene pools? Total alleles are genes of a population is called gene pool. Means किसी भी स्पीसीज, इंडिविजुअल स्पीसीज की जो टोटल पॉपुलेशन होती है इन ऑल वर्ड्स, तो उसके जो जीन्स टोटल, सम टोटल्स ऑफ द जीन्स इज कॉल्ड द जीन पूल। F1 generation, what are the F1 generation? The generation which forms after crossing two individuals, and the progeny forms is called F1 generation. It composed of dominant characters. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैपिटल टी का क्रॉस कराएंगे स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी द F1 first filial generation. It composed of dominant characters. It expressed dominant characters. All organisms, all offspring have the dominant characters. F2 generation. The generation which are formed by the selfing in the F1 generation of springs is called F2 generation. For example, कैपिटल टी का क्रॉस डार्क प्लांट क्रॉस कराया गया कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी F1 सेल्फिंग इन द F1 ऑफ स्प्रिंग. इसके बीच में सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होगा, मतलब सेम टाइप के जीन. कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी स्मॉल टी it's the F2. So then the F2 generation composed of both dominant as well as recessive characters. So when the comparative study to comparison of the F1 and F2 generation, then we find the F1 generation composed of dominant characters. F1 generation composed of dominant characters, where the F2 generation composed of both dominant and always recessive characters. Both type of characters are present in the F2 generation.